Hello friends, is your car misfiring, losing power, or even refusing to start? You plug in an OBD-II scanner, and it throws code P0375. But what does it mean? This code indicates an issue with the timing reference high-resolution signal B, a crucial signal for your engine's timing. If ignored, it can cause serious performance issues or complete engine failure. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0375 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0375? P0375 stands for Timing Reference High Resolution Signal B, no pulses. This means the powertrain control module, or PCM, is not detecting any signal from the camshaft or crankshaft position sensor. These sensors are responsible for telling the PCM the exact position of the engine's moving parts. Without this signal, your engine timing will be completely off. Common symptoms of P0375 include the check engine light is on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and hesitation during acceleration, difficulty starting the car, poor fuel economy, and complete engine stalling. If you are facing any of these problems, it's time to locate the faulty sensor and fix the issue. The crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor are responsible for sending timing signals to the PCM. If these sensors fail, you'll get a P0375 code. Key locations to inspect include the crankshaft position sensor, usually located near the crankshaft pulley, harmonic balancer, or flywheel, and the camshaft position sensor, found on the engine's cylinder head, near the timing cover. Now let's dive into some additional inspection points. First, you should look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wiring leading to these sensors. This is crucial because even a small issue with the wiring can cause big problems. Next, if everything else checks out, the problem may be a failing powertrain control module, or PCM. This is a bit more advanced, but it's definitely something to consider. And here's a tip for you. The exact location of these components depends on your vehicle's make and model, so it's always a good idea to check your repair manual. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0375 code. First up, we have a faulty crankshaft position sensor. If this sensor fails, the powertrain control module, or PCM, doesn't receive a timing signal. Next, there's the defective camshaft position sensor. A bad sensor here can disrupt the engine timing. Another cause could be broken or loose wiring. Corroded or disconnected wires can lead to signal loss. We also have the possibility of a PCM malfunction. A faulty PCM might not read sensor signals correctly. Timing chain or belt issues are another culprit. A stretched or misaligned timing belt can affect sensor readings. Lastly, weak battery or alternator issues can cause low voltage, interfering with sensor operation. So how do you fix P0375? Well, here are some steps you can follow. Step 1. Scan for related codes using an OBD-II scanner. Step 2. Inspect the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors and replace them if they're faulty. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for any damage or loose connections. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure they're providing proper voltage. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt for any wear or misalignment. Finally, Step 6. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and take your car for a test drive. Now for some final words. Ignoring P0375 can lead to major engine performance issues. It's important to check the sensor, wiring, and timing system as soon as possible to prevent expensive repairs down the line. Want to learn more about related issues? Well, we've got some videos for you. Check out P0048, Turbocharger Boost Control Circuit High, and P0049, Turbocharger Overspeed Condition. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.